So now it's time for our tool number 19, and that is Lumen 5. So this is how the Lumen 5 website actually looks like. This website is a really cool website where you can create your AI video with just uploading your document, text or link. You don't need a long script or a detailed script. Even if you have a document, you can create your videos. You can create multiple scripts at the same time. So you can even cut your longer videos into a short and shareable script. You can chat to your videos if you want to chat. You can make vertical videos. You can turn your horizontal videos into vertical videos. You can even upload your own talking video or your own voiceover. So from here, what we are going to do is we are going to create our new video. So let's click on create our video and let's choose a template. So let's go with this template and use this template. Click on use this. Now they are asking me for choose how to get started. Whether I want AI voiceover, that means convert a blog post, document or idea to an AI voiceover video. Whether I want text on media, that means convert a blog post, document or ideas to video, or I want an AI avatar. So let's go for an AI avatar option. So this is a premium feature. So I don't know if I am able to use it, but still let's see. Let's upload one image and a strip over here. And once the image is uploaded or it's there in the system, we will go on and continue. So let's create some post strip. Our next step is click on compose script. Now this website is analyzing the content to compose my script. So this will take a few moments and it will be done. So now the script, the body, the title, everything is ready. Now we will click on continue. And over here you can see your AI avatar will be animated once your video is published. So here you can see we all fit all the videos over here, all the audio part is here. If you want to delete something from here, you can simply delete it. So this is Alex. You can change your AI avatar if you want. So if I want, let's keep Alex and let's hit generate video. So on a free plan, you can publish 2 minutes video on a free plan. If you want more, you can simply upgrade. So I'm just showing you how this thing actually works, and this works like magic. This is my AI avatar. This is my entire script, and within a few moments, within a few seconds, with the magic of AI, with the magic of this tool, my entire video of 2 minutes would be created. So over here, I got the video. So let's see what's over here. So now you can see the entire video is created. So no one then feel like that this is an AI avatar. This feels so raw and so real. It feels that sounds familiar. You're not alone. It's starting on the screen and explaining or talking about this video.
Motivation is powerful, but it's also temporary. And see, here's the feeling, not a long-term strategy.
Over here, you can see at the back, you can see the watermark. This is just because of, I think so this is a preview only. You can now publish it from here. But this, even if you are using this tool, or you bought the subscription or you upgraded to their paid version, this tool works like magic. If you want to add more, you then simply add it from here. So let's play this.
Most importantly, connect your goals to a deeper reason that matters to you.
The caption, and still this looks so real. This looks like a real human talking on camera. So this is one of the best tools when it comes to create.
Most importantly, connect your goals to a deeper reason that matters to you.
And this is what the final product or the final look of the video. So this is at the back over here. You can see all the watermark, and this is, I think so, just because this was a paid paid one. This comes under the paid one, but still I show you how this thing works. If you want to add more from library, if you want to add more images, or if you want to add more, if you want to upload your own script, or if you want to upload your own media, you then simply do this and edit your video by yourself if you want it. But if you jump back to Lumen 5 again, you will find more things. This was the video part. You then even create multiple script. You can turn your your horizontal video into a vertical video. So let's come over here, create a multiple script or a multiple clips and see how this thing works. So if you want to create a multiple clip, you need to first upload your own long form video, and then it will cut those video into a short form as I showed you for the Opus clip. These tools are somehow similar, but every tool has a different features and different way of creating this. If you have loved this video, the only thing I want you to do is just go around, play with this tool and see what works for you or what don't work for you, and just add new elements, put in the script or upload your script, upload your image, upload your voiceover if you want, and create a completely AI avatar video for yourself, and you will really enjoy this tool. So this was all from this lecture from Lumen 5, and I will see you in the next one.